Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Broadway Girls. But before we get started, hit that like, share, leave me any comments below, and hit that subscribe button.
Walking in about a mile away. Bean just had to take her phone and that just took her smile away. She said I'm too drunk and crazy.
Let's go ahead and get started. Your weight is on your left. You're going to step right, hitch left. So step right, hitch left. You're going to step down left, add a quarter, and hitch right. Step down left, hitch right. Then he calls for a step, drag, step, which you can also do a step, lock, step. Looks like this. Weight on your left. Step, lock, step, scuff. So that's you by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do a step lock. He says step, drag, step, pivot half, stomp right 2 times. So here's what that looks like. Lock, step, left, pivot half, stomp, stomp. Let me show that to you by the count. Weight is on your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And leading Broadway girls along.
You're going to do a grapevine to the right, a grapevine to the left with a quarter turn. And then you touch. So let me show you. Weight on your left. Side, behind, side, touch, left, behind, left, quarter turn. You can do a rolling vine on that left vine if you would like, but let me show it to you from the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to do that rolling vine, here's what it'll look like. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget that quarter turn. Now you're going to stomp out right, stomp left. You're going to dip down and go to the left like this. Dip down, hip left. You're going to 2/8 pivot, which makes a quarter. So it'll look like this. Rodeo, rodeo. So let me show you what that looks like by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole dance by the counts. Here we go. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thanks for watching. See you next dance.